how display panels are manufactured, enabling exceptional precision and reliability through advanced automation.
The SPC charts indicate we're exceeding the upper control limit on temperature during reflow.
We need to tighten that parameter immediately to maximize yield efficiency.
Focusing on the critical design specifications for electrostatic discharge protection. This impacts the entire product cycle.
If we optimize the power delivery here, we reduce the failure rate significantly.
The data confirms that assessment.
Excellent. This meets the quality assurance requirements.
As you can see on the main display, the heat signature is drastically reduced with the new parameters.
This confirms we can move forward with the revised component layout.
Right.
The signal integrity on sector C is stable, but this cluster indicates a potential defect consistent with the revised parameters.
Agreed. The radiated emissions are well within the EN 61000 limits.
Upload the final parameters to the traceability platform for compliance verification.
The data confirms the contamination control measures are effective. Good.
Now let's finalize the critical design specification.
Meticulous preparation ensures precision. The machine is now implementing the assembly sequence as programmed, adhering to all specifications.
Look at the Z-height mapping here. We're well within the acceptable parameters for the new wafer batch.
Excellent. That ensures consistent quality downstream.
Reviewing the protocol checklist. Adjusting the dial to specifications.
ESD probes confirm continuity. The display shows green.
Noted. We are clear for production.
As the pick-and-place sequence begins, monitor the feed rates. This ensures we meet the stringent standards for this batch.
Meticulous preparation procedures and electrostatic discharge protection ensure we meet stringent standards, maximizing efficiency and guaranteeing manufacturing readiness.
Reviewing the latest thermal cycling data now.
Quality consistency is well within spec. Yield optimization methodologies are working. Check the thermal readings on Sector 4.
Rework is needed before we can certify this unit.
Reviewing the scan data now. Yield is holding at 99.8%.
Excellent. That meets the performance specifications.
The statistical process control system indicates exceptional quality consistency on the verification run.
That meets the stringent performance specifications.
Utilizing cutting-edge technologies like multi-zone reflow ovens and flying probe testing, our technicians maintain exceptional precision and quality consistency.
The yield optimization metrics are stabilizing.
Quality consistency is holding steady across all units.
We utilize sophisticated automated systems for firmware flashing and boundary scan testing, implementing
The primary manufacturing sequence employs extensively trained technicians and sophisticated automated systems.
Utilizing high-speed pick-and-place machines and automated stencil printing, we achieve exceptional precision and quality consistency in electronics assembly.
Advanced Systems Integration Phase meticulously implementing statistical process control software, revealing sophisticated cleanroom manufacturing protocols with comprehensive real-time monitoring capabilities.
Fingerprints. Advanced Lighting Systems Integration is highlighting comprehensive real-time monitoring capabilities features, guaranteeing
the quality assurance sequence is complete.
Real-time monitoring confirms optimal production efficiency. The results are exceptional.
Meticulous systems integration and real-time monitoring capabilities enable us to guarantee optimal production efficiency and exceptional quality outcomes. This signal integrity validation data looks solid.
Supplier quality tracking is optimizing our manufacturing operations.
Exceptional reliability confirmed.
The systems integration phase is complete. Production scheduling is optimized.
Real-time monitoring confirms
the predictive analytics flagged an anomaly in the integration phase. The automated test equipment is maintaining optimal efficiency despite the variance. Comprehensive testing procedures conducting rigorous environmental stress screening protocols utilizing advanced semiconductor fabrication with certified instrumentation.
Test sequence complete, vibration levels normalizing.
Excellent. Documenting the results now for final review.
Looks like we're cleared for product release. Are we adhering strictly to the validated methodology for this batch?
Yes, but the SPC data suggests an anomaly in the Z-axis emissions.
Phase 3 testing complete. Yield metrics exceed target.
Authorized for commercial distribution.
The thermal readings on Zone 3 are stabilizing. Cross-reference that against the previous batch yield data.
Traceability confirms the component lot. We are within spec for release.
The power draw on subsystem 3 is still exceeding the threshold.
Rerunning the thermal cycle might stabilize it. Check Protocol 4.
These results align with the qualification standards.
I agree. The instrumentation is calibrated correctly.
We should proceed with the final documentation.
The data sheets look good. We've validated the methodology. Agreed. Let's finalize the documentation for product release.
Predict. The predictive analytics suggest a high probability of failure in Zone 3.
Adjusting the integrated management system.
Verification complete. The equipment calibration is confirmed.
Standards maintained. I'm updating the QMS data log now. As you can see on the SPC chart, our continuous improvement Kaizen initiatives are maximizing operational efficiency and driving manufacturing excellence.
These analytics confirm the optimization program is driving efficiency.
Significant improvement in continuous quality management.
Throughput capacity is up by 15% this quarter. The yield optimization methodologies are clearly working.
The inventory turnover optimization is significantly improving our efficiency metrics.
And the defect detection.
By utilizing these traceability platforms, we've significantly improved supplier performance evaluation.
The data confirms
The thermal management solutions are maximizing our efficiency, as shown here.
And the sustainable practices are improving our quality metrics across the board.
The field failure analysis points to a signal integrity issue identified during validation testing.
We must utilize the
The advanced analytics platforms confirm our continuous quality improvement.
and the integrated management systems show
We implement technology refresh planning and reliability qualification programs with our cross-functional teams.
Look at the real-time data. OEE is holding steady above 95%. The continuous improvement protocols are fully integrated.
The operational efficiency of this integration is demonstrating clear advantages.
It significantly streamlines the assembly.
Look at the resonance on this schematic. We've optimized the antenna design.
Rerunning the simulation now. The results look promising for the next generation.
jerks. The data confirms integrating sustainable practices significantly reduces our manufacturing footprint.
We're developing transformative next-generation quantum dot display technology, combining fundamental research with practice.
These schematics confirm the improved efficiency we hypothesized.
The flexibility test results exceed expectations. Good. Let's integrate the new substrate design into the manufacturing process.
If we scale this up, we can integrate the cooling systems directly into the substrate.
That meets the industry standard for aerospace applications. The visualization confirms a 20% increase in efficiency. This significantly streamlines the manufacturing process.
Rerunning the simulation with the new parameters now.
Our enterprise intelligence platforms show maximized yield efficiency.
This solidifies our competitive advantage in the global market.
The Enterprise Intelligence Platform highlights our sustainable practices across the electronic supply chain.
The platform is flagging supply chain disruptions in the APAC sector.
We must update compliance protocols across all regions immediately.
Optimizing global supply chains with enterprise intelligence platforms, ensuring exceptional product reliability and consistent quality throughout manufacturing operations. These frameworks confirm the path for cost reduction. See how the projections stabilize when we implement the new strategy.
Excellent. The compliance metrics also improved.
This facility represents transformative technological importance, an integrated ecosystem.